The listing optimizer is where the work happens. 195 products already optimized, average quality of 46, plenty of room to grow, and 390 hours saved. Let me show you the three main tabs. The green banner at the top confirms your catalog is loaded. Enter any ASIN from your catalog and the tool already has all the context on it. Start with keywords. ASIN, category, and 2 to 3 keywords you already rank for. Hit research. After you click research, the AI pulls high opportunity keywords for your category, analyzes the competitive landscape, and surfaces the gaps keywords competitors rank for your listing is missing. Keep this tab open while you work on the title and bullets. You'll reference it constantly. With the title optimizer, enter your ASIN, category, and paste the current live title copied from the listing details tab in the row modal. Hit optimize. The AI generates multiple variants built around Amazon's Rufus ranking factors. Each variant has different keyword emphasis, different sentence structure, different feature ordering. What to look for: lead keyword first, brand name present, main benefit clear within the first 80 characters, the visible portion on mobile. Pick the variant that ticks all three. Copy it to Seller Central. ListPilot doesn't push to Amazon automatically. You make the change yourself, then come back and track whether the score improves in score history. Bullet points is often the highest leverage fix. Enter the ASIN and click generate. You get 3 versions of your bullet set, all benefit driven and conversion focused. Each version takes a different approach. One leads with safety and quality, one leads with versatility and use cases, and one leads with the customer outcome. All 3 will have a remove feature first language, and replaced it with benefit first language. Choose a version where bullet 1, the most read bullet, clearly answers the buyer's primary question. For a safety product that's safety and peace of mind first, pick that version, copy to Seller Central. The Clear All button resets the inputs so you can rush fresh variants. Generate as many times as needed.